Next, we want to push forward your ability to express yourself creatively with improvements to Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil is a game-changing tool that turns iPad into a professional drawing canvas, a great way to mark up and sign documents, and the ultimate note-taking device. What many people love most about taking notes with Apple Pencil is how they can express themselves in a free-form way. Mixing handwriting and drawings can be the best way to capture your thoughts. Now, the challenge is when you want to change things afterwards. Here, working with handwriting just isn't as easy as with typed text. Now, we sometimes take it for granted, but with typed text, it's so easy to select, copy and paste into another document, or even just make space for more text. Well, this year, we're going to make handwriting just as easy and just as powerful. But that's not all. Our customers tell us that once they have an Apple Pencil in their hand, they don't want to put it away. So this year, we're bringing Scribble to iPad. So you can handwrite into any text field, and it will automatically be converted to text. To show you all of this in action, I'd like to welcome Jenny Chen for a live demo.
Thanks, Craig. I'm really excited to show you some of the great new features that we have for Apple Pencil and iPad OS this year. One of the great parts about taking notes with the Apple Pencil is that it really lets you work in a free-form way. I can just start writing anywhere. And it's not just about text. I can also express myself with drawings or shapes. But sometimes you want that more professional, cleaned up look. And so now when I draw a simple shape and pause at the end, it'll automatically convert to that ideal shape. And we're smart about it, retaining the same size and angle that you drew it at. In addition to shapes, we've also made huge improvements to our handwriting recognition. So now when I write, I can easily make a selection using the same gestures that I use for typed text. I can double tap to select a word, or double tap again to select a line. Thanks to our advanced on-device machine learning, you'll notice how we can select the handwriting while avoiding the drawings nearby. Now that I have the selection, I can easily change the color or move it around the document. It's also perfectly easy for me to make space for more room to write. We think that this will make note-taking with the Apple Pencil even better. And now, you don't even have to put it down when you want to do something else. Let's say you want to search for Edison bulbs in Safari. Using Scribble, I can just write directly into the text field. And it automatically gets converted to typed text. It also works in any text field, so I can easily add a new reminder to my shared reminders list with my husband. I've also been learning Chinese, so I want to surprise him with some of my progress and skills. I'll use Scratch to delete lights, and then I can use Scribble to write new, and then light fixture in Chinese. You'll notice how Scribble recognizes both English and Chinese in the same line. And what's awesome is that we can build on this technology to deliver other great features like data detectors. We can automatically detect what you write, like phone numbers so I can make a phone call, or addresses so I can look up directions. We can use these features together to do even more with your handwriting. Let's say I wanted to use my handwriting in another app. I can easily select what I want, tap the new Copy as Text from the callout bar, and then paste it into an app like Pages. And it's automatically converted to typed text. We're really excited about these awesome new features, and we think it will let you do even more with the Apple Pencil.
Thanks, Jenny. So those are the enhancements to Pencil.